Hello, I'm Isaac Weiss, and welcome to my presentation about the business of filtering dirty rainwater into clean, drinkable water. This presentation is for the course BE 170, taught by Professor Dr. Poe. The current date is December 2nd, 2020. In this presentation, I will be explaining the three forms of filtration that I found to be most effective in today's current world. Each filtration type is unique in its own way and benefits the global economy. I hope you find this presentation to be very informative. First, I must start by explaining why I was interested in researching this topic. The Earth is composed of around 70% water, so how is it possible for a state like California to be in a drought while directly next to the ocean? This question fueled my research. I began by studying the difference between potable and non-potable water. Potable water is water that is healthy to consume, filtered, and necessary for humans to survive. Non-potable water is water that is not healthy to drink due to chemicals or salt quantity found in the water, such as ocean water. Out of the 70% of the earth that contains water, only 0.05% of that volume contains potable water. Due to this fact, recycling rainwater is extremely necessary to increase the quantity of potable water. The first form of filtration is probably the most common one found in today's world, as well as the most effective. It can be found in most households across the world. These filtration systems use a combination of both chemicals and natural ingredients to ensure that the water that is produced from the filter is potable. This form of filtration isn't used today to directly filter rainwater, but it can be utilized to do so if needed. Personally, in my household, I have the filtration system that is presented on the right-hand side of the screen. I fill it up with salt and chemicals about once every month. The figures shown are the second form of filtration. This form is called low-pressure gravity-driven membrane filtration. This system is different from the last in that it does not require any chemicals to create potable water from rainwater. As seen in the figure, rainwater is collected in a large holding tank, which is released as pressure increases, continuing through a constant tank to ensure everything runs smoothly. Then finally, in the last tank, there is a membrane at the bottom that has non-potable water building pressure above, which forces the water through the membrane, leading it to be filtered. When the water exits the other end of the membrane, it is ready for consumption. This form of filtration is less effective than the first, but still produces potable water. The final form of filtration for non-potable water is the most environmentally friendly because it actually utilizes the fact that nature is able to produce its own ecosystems. This is done through a process of using living plant matter. Root systems are used as a mean of filtering the water since these plants absorb all the chemicals, mycobacteria, and even viruses from the water, leaving the rest as potable and safe for human consumption. The main difference from this filtration system from the rest is that it needs to be in an environment where there is a steep hill or runoff, as this is the only area where this method can be used effectively. What has this research taught me? It has taught me that all these methods are effective at achieving their end goal of creating more readily available potable water in areas where it is needed. I found the second method, low pressure gravity driven membrane filtration, to answer my research question the best. It directly filters rainwater without the use of chemicals. Methods like these need to continue to be developed and adapted to eventually reach the end goal that every human on this planet can have access to clean and potable water whenever it is needed. This is my reference page referencing all the information that I used and put into this video. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and thank you for watching.